Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. How are you? You are fine, isn't it? So, I want to ask you, have you ever made a juice or have you ever turned on the television? If you ever, what are the steps or the instruction to make the juice or turn on the television? The steps are instruction in the how to make juice and how to turn on the television. You can say procedure. Yes, that's right. Good job. Procedure text is a type of text that contains commands or instruction to do or make something. It aims to describe how something is achieved or made through a specific sequence of activities or steps. Procedure texts usually have a title that begins with how to, or how to operate, or how to make. Ya, jadi prosedur text adalah tipe teks yang berisi tentang instruction atau langkah-langkah untuk membuat atau melakukan sesuatu yang bertujuan untuk mencapai hal yang kita inginkan. Struktur yang pertama, and the general structure of procedure text is goal or title. The title of procedure text introduces the process to be described and gives the reader an overview of the information to follow. In other words, the title reflects the purpose of the procedure. Jadi, struktur pertama dalam prosedur adalah goal or title. Title atau judul dalam prosedur itu berisi tentang pengenalan apa yang akan kita tulis atau apa yang akan kita buat. Judul dalam prosedur juga bisa kita sebut sebagai tujuan. Like this, the example is how to make caramel pudding. How to make caramel pudding. This is a title, and the goal or tujuan adalah to make caramel pudding, untuk membuat caramel pudding. And the second generic structure is ingredients or materials. This section is usually written in the same text or DIY projects, where ingredients, food, and materials are an important part of making something in the procedure text. However, in the manual procedure, you may not find ingredients or materials. For example, this is 4 eggs, 200 of milk, 200 grams of sugar, and the next generic is, or the last is, step. This section contains the step or instruction that we have to do or to make something according to the procedure. For example, the first of all, you have to melt 100 grams of sugar and also vanilla, and then pour it into a Pyrex stick. And the next is the language feature of procedure text. The language feature of procedure text, there are 4. The first is use a simple present tense. And the next is use connective. And the next is use imperative sentences. And the last is use adverb. For example, in the procedure how to make caramel pudding, the step there are 4. The first, second, at the end, this is a connective in the procedure, and then You have to melt 100 grams of sugar and then mix eggs and then stir them for a while using a fork and then pour the mixture into Pyrex. In the procedure, you can say imperative sentences. And then in the 45 minutes, this is a adverb of time. And the next is the type of procedure text. There are 4 types of procedure text. The first is manual procedure text. Procedure manuals function as guides that provide information, instruction, and detailed explanation on how to operate, use, maintain, and assemble an item. For example, how to turn on the television. There are 4 steps. Jadi prosedur manual adalah prosedur yang berfungsi untuk memberikan arahan atau informasi atau langkah-langkah tentang bagaimana mengoperasikan atau menggunakan sesuatu, seperti dalam contoh perabotan di rumah tangga. And the next is receipt of procedure text. A receipt is a set of instructions that explain the step and specific ingredients needed to make a particular food or drink. Jadi prosedur resep itu adalah prosedur yang memberikan instruksi atau langkah-langkah tentang bagaimana cara membuat makanan, bagaimana cara membuat minuman. For example, how to make coffee. And the next is tips of procedure text. Tips are recommendation or suggestion that provide practical and useful insight for readers. For example, tips to improve a skill like this. Contohnya seperti bagaimana cara meningkatkan kemampuan berbicara bahasa Inggris. Tutorial provide a set of instruction that explain specific steps to make a product, perform a particular task, or acquire a particular skill. For example, a tutorial on the DIY projects, like seperti contoh cara membuat kupu-kupu dari kertas origami. Read the procedure text carefully and identify and classify the social function, generic structure, language feature, and the type for this example. Jika kalian sudah mengidentifikasi, jangan lupa kalian tulis di kolom komentar bagaimana jawaban kalian. Oke, nanti